Injured lion asks man to take his cub. He locked eyes with man as his cub ran out. The man took her home, giving her a bottle. Exhausted and full, she fell asleep in the man's lap. This was the last time the cub was happy. She started acting out, not letting the man touch her. She only interacted with her stuffed animals. Watching her, the man had an idea on how to fix this. He went out and adopted another lion. They quickly became best friends even, sharing her toys. The next time she saw the man, she ran up, thanking him.